If you've worked on more than one Unity project, you've probably seen it: messy folders, duplicate assets, random textures spread everywhere. Reorganizing it all can feel like a nightmare. Let me show you how UnitAI makes it easier, starting with Ask Mode. Let's start with image assets. In most Unity projects, textures and icons end up scattered across dozens of folders, especially if different teams or packages were involved. Manually hunting through those directories, slow and frustrating. So instead, I ask UnitAI, show me the top 20 folders with the most image files. The AI scans the entire project and quickly responds with the ranked list. Each folder is shown with the exact number of image files it contains, helping me spot high clutter areas immediately. This gives me a smart starting point for cleanup, no need to guess. And if there are folders I know I want to skip, like auto-generated ones or assets from the Unity package cache, I can simply add exclude keywords in the prompt. That way, I won't waste time reviewing them again later. Let's work with that first folder in the list. I'll copy its name, switch back to the Unity project panel, and use the search bar to locate it. In a real-world project, these folders are often buried deep, so having an exact name saves time. Now I can visually inspect the contents and get ready to start moving things into a cleaner structure. To start cleaning things up, I create a new folder named Images in the project view. This will serve as a centralized place to move in all texture and image files from across the project. You can start small. The point is to establish a clean destination. With the new images folder created, I go back and open the top folder from our earlier list. Inside there is the usual mess, subfolders like textures, icons, and even directories labeled by size 32, 16, 8. It's exactly what you'd expect from projects that evolved over time or pulled assets from many sources. I take a moment to look through it and decide what clearly belongs in the new folder. Anything that's visual, like button icons, UI textures, or background images, is a good fit. You don't need to overthink it, just focus on reducing clutter and centralizing your assets. Once I know what to move, I simply drag those folders, like textures or icons, into the new images location. Now they're grouped in one place, and the project instantly feels more organized. No more guessing where that one missing icon ended up. Next up, prefab cleanup. Just like we did with images, I want to find out where all the prefabs are hiding. They tend to live in inconsistent places, sometimes under UI folders, sometimes buried in feature-specific directories. So again, I ask UnitAI, show me the top 20 folders containing prefab files. The AI scans the full project and responds with a ranked list. Each entry includes the folder path and the number of prefabs inside. Now I've got a complete overview of where prefab clutter lives. From here, I can prioritize which ones to look at first and which folders are safe to ignore or review later. It's fast, accurate, and saves hours of clicking through random folders. With that list in hand, I switch back to the project panel and create a new folder named Prefabs. It'll act just like the images folder, a single clean location where I can move and manage all reusable components. This tiny step already sets the stage for better modularity and less chaos going forward. Next, I open the first folder from the prefab results and take a closer look. These might include UI panels, inventory items, character pieces, you name it. Some may still be useful, others maybe not. But now I'm working from a clear list, not just searching blindly. And once I've picked what I want to keep, I move those selected prefabs into the new prefabs folder we just created. It's that simple, and it instantly reduces clutter. That's just a glimpse of what Ask Mode can do. You can quickly find files, clean up your project, and bring structure to chaos, all with smart prompts. And in part 2, we'll dive into agent mode, where UnitAI creates and runs full reorganization plans for you.